Hi, I'm Chris. This morning I started my car and experienced a bad smell from the air inlets and fogged windows. My friend John told me most cars are equipped with a cabin filter, and if not replaced in time, this might cause the bad smell and fogged windows. John advised me to buy a new cabin filter, but where can I find it and how do I replace it? So I asked John and he showed me how to remove and install the cabin filter. I thought the cabin air filter was in the engine space, but John told me the most common place is behind the glove compartment. You can also check the assistance animation by using the QR code on the package, which shows you the location of the filter in your car. When the filter doesn't get replaced annually or every 20,000 kilometers, the filter may become clogged and filled with dirt. Did you know Champion produces flexi-frame filters for easy installation? This job is done. If you want to know everything about the type of parts you need for your car, check out Champion's website. I found the correct type for my car in the Find My Parts section on the Champion website. It describes everything extensively. Anyway, I'm happy with my new parts.